Good morning everyone, this is Syed from RVH. Today I brought you an iPhone 11 Black. It's one of the most beautiful phone I have seen, and this beautiful phone I'm giving it for free. Yes, this iPhone 11 I'm giving you for free. In this video I'll show you everything about this phone. Unfortunately this phone doesn't come with the box and accessories, but you will get the only phone. Also, as we have also started giving away stuff, so at the end of the video I'll announce the name of the previous giveaway winner. Make sure you watch the full video. We select the winner randomly worldwide. This is real giveaway and we have already given more than 15 iPhones so far. You can see the winners list on our Instagram page. Okay, let's start. What you're gonna do, just follow 3 simple steps to win this iPhone. 1. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. 2. Like this video and comment down. 3. And last, like our Instagram page where we announce the winner name. Don't worry, if you don't have the Instagram, just keep eye on it. Instagram link is in description. If you help us promoting our channel, we'll give you an AirPod for free. We have more than 1,000 iPhones we're gonna be giving away. We have iPhone X, iPhone XS Max, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we have all kind of iPhones we're giving away. We have the stock available and we'll be giving away every day one phone. So make sure guys follow all the steps and I'm sure you will. So now we are going to announce the winner with the proof. Congratulations to the winner and good luck to others.